many times have you heard the phrase computer literacy? Have you ever thought what it really means, though? According to dictionary.com, computer literacy is a basic, non-technical knowledge about computers and how to use them. Familiarity and experience with computers, software, and computer systems. That's great, but what does that mean? When we think about computer literacy, we think about the stereotype of the all-knowing, all-powerful teenage computer wizard. But what if you just know where to find your favorite apps on the desktop and click them? Are you computer literate? What if you know where to find your web browser on your computer and how to surf the web? Does that make you computer literate? What if you just use your computer to send email? The answer to all of those is yes, in a roundabout way. The Maryland Technology Literacy Standards for Students has established multiple domains of knowledge that fall into the category of computer literacy. These domains can cover things like computer use, using email, using word processors and presentation applications, working with databases, and working with the World Wide Web. For each domain, there are 3 skill levels: basic, intermediate, and proficient. For right now, let's just think about the computer use aspect of computer literacy, because it's the foundation that other domains are built upon. After all, you can't use word processing software, create presentations, or surf the World Wide Web if you don't know how to use the computer in the first place, right? Basic level computer users know how to perform essential operations to interact with the computer. They can turn it on and off, and they can log on and off. They can identify the basic parts of a computer. They can use a mouse to move the cursor around the screen and perform simple actions with the cursor like clicking, double-clicking, selecting, dragging, and dropping. They can type and enter letters, numbers, and they can recognize and use the keyboard's special function keys. Intermediate level computer users have met the basic level of knowledge. They also know how to work with files and folders, use advanced mouse functions like right-clicking, and they can control windows with the taskbar minimize/maximize buttons. Proficient level computer users have met the intermediate level of knowledge. They also know how to do things like work with compressed files, examine files for size, use a computer's accessibility features, and attach peripheral devices to the computer. So although computer literacy is broad in scope, the ability to use a computer proficiently is your gateway to becoming a literate computer user and responsible digital citizen.